Hello! Once again, this is Ma'am Gemz of Davao City, a public school teacher at your service. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Orange and Mother Gems. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to put a timer on our test or quiz, of course, using Google Form. By doing so, it is easier to all of us teachers to make our students be more accountable to their own completion of their task. So, let's start now. How to set up a timer in our Google Forms, that is our test and quiz. In this tutorial, we will learn two important things. 1. Installing a form presenter, and 2. Adding a timer. So, let's begin. Before anything else, we will open first, of course, our PC or laptop and go to our Google browsers. And we have 5 steps in putting up timer to our Google Forms test or quiz po. And this is now your Google browser. Dapat ganito pong makikita natin, and make it sure that this one you already signed up. You have already your Google account. Alright? So beside that one is the Google Apps. So let's open it. Remember, we have 2 ways in opening our Google Forms. We can open it through our Drive or go straight to the Google Forms. But for me, I will go to my Drive. This is our first step po, my dear colleagues, to make our test or quiz. So in my case, I already made this one. Remember, makikita po ninyo dyan sa description box po natin, andyan po ang link ng ating tutorial video on how to make or create our quiz or summative test using Google Forms. Okay? And then manual po yung pag-close natin sa form para sa exam ng mga bata. But this one is a level up using a timer. We don't need to close it manually. So, let's go to the step 2. And our step 2 is to install, this is the most important part, to install the form presenter. This is an add-on po. So, andito na po sa aking account ang form presenter. So, for me, to show you on how to do that, allow me to, since naka-install na po siya sa aking account, allow me to use the account of my husband. So, now, you can see on the right top, the 3 dots. When you point it, and makikita ninyo ang more, and click it. So, mag-pop down po itong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? You go to the last, and this is the add-ons. Okay? Dito po natin makikita. Click it. We are now in Google Workspace Marketplace. So, these are the different add-ons of the Google po. Okay, meaning of that, mga extensions po nila. All of these there are version for free. And if you wanted to use the very, nice version, pwede po natin bilihin yung paid version. But for us teachers, pwede na po yung mga free. Okay? Pero pag may budget, why not? Okay, kung wala po dito yung hinahanap natin, like si Form Presenters, we can go here on the search apps, Form Present. Okay. This one. Ayan na po siya. So, let's click this one so that we can install it. So, ayan na po siya. So, we will click install. Get ready to install. Needs your permission in order to start installing. Just click continue. And then, click your account. Since in this case, account siya ng husband ko, I will click the account of my husband. Okay, go down. These are the terms and conditions or terms of services. Just click allow. And then the last one, form presenter plus timer has been installed. So just click done. And that's it po. So ready na po to use that one. Paano po natin malaman, Ma'am Gems, na na-install na siya? If you can see it, this icon here. Diba? Andun din po siya sa aking account. So now let's go back to my account. So this is now my account. So we are now on step 3, add a timer. In doing that, click add-ons. Itong parang puzzle icons dito. Okay? Click form presenter plus timer. Click set up. And this is the add-ons that I am telling you. Okay? So ito na po. nilagyan ko na po siya ng title. You can put title here. You can put image here. Saan po ilalagay si title? Dito po. Pwede po nyo malagay dyan. And then, that is the welcome message. And you can see also under it is the subtitle. Why is it orange po? Ako po nag-ano niyan. Ako po nag-set niyan. Show instruction. So, you can put your instructions here. Okay, let's go down. And you can even change your background here. If you don't like the white, you can use blue. And just click on the blue part. And that's it. Blue na po yan siya. And the title, ulitin ko po siya kasi naka-blue po siya. Just click. And that's it. Welcome message is red. Okay? So, ayan na po. And if we go down, let's go with the time control. So if you wanted to use the Google with a timer always, you can click always. But if you wanted to have a specific time, you can use the specific time. And make sure na you will choose the Asia Manila. Okay, para sa time natin. Do not forget Asia Manila. This one, we will put muna, for example, you wanted to have it on October 25, Monday or 29, you can set it. Okay? You can set it on 29. Kasi 29 po yung klase ko sa aking grade 8. Okay? And 1 hour po yung klase ko. So, I will put 11 a.m. to 12 o'clock. So, 1 hour po siya. And you can set the timer to 10 minutes or 30 minutes. Ba matapos nila ang quiz nila sa MAPE po. For example, 40 items. So, 5 minutes times 4 is 20. Type lang po natin 20. And the good thing in this add-ons po sa form presenter na timer is you can allow your students to have a break. So, let's try 1 break. Okay? And then alert before 1 minute. Okay? And then alert message, form is closing soon. Submit before timeout. Okay? And then, the timeout message. Timeout, better luck next time. Okay? So, yan lang po ang ilagay natin. So, that's it. Ang crucial lang po dito is the date and the time. And then, audience control. Huwag na po natin yung anuhin. Action. This one is for upgrade plan. Yung may bayad na po. This one also, yung upgrade plan. The branding as well, and this one. Okay? So, if you want to publish it to your students, you can publish the form by clicking the link here and then send it to your GC or to your Google Classroom. Okay? Pag once you will publish it, I already published this one kanina kasi I tried it. That's why you can read it here. Republished na siya. Okay? So, it's already embedded the timer here. So, if you're a Google Classroom user, teacher, you can go straight to your Google Classroom. Since I'm not Google Classroom user, so I will just copy the link and I will give it to my students through Messenger. So, that is step number 3, adding a timer. So, make it sure po na nalagay natin yung specific time and date natin kung kailan natin gusto ma-open ang ating mga Google Forms na test or quiz. And we have a specific time, 1 hour lang po, para 1 hour lang po talaga ma-open ng mga bata during the scheduled time of their specific subject. So, for example po, natapos na po yung examination time nila for this specific subject, like MAPE. Natapos na po, absent po yung bata or late po siya. Ano pong gagawin natin? So, we will just set another date and another time and we will inform the student. Yan po yung date and time na ibibigay natin po yung link natin para makapag-answer po sila. So, do not forget to republish updated form po ninyo, updated test po ninyo po siya. So, we need to refresh. Yan po yung tip natin for step number 3 in adding a timer. Now, let's go to the next step, that is step 4. We will send now the link to our students. Okay? So, pag isend po natin advance, ma-open po ng mga bata, pero hindi po nila ma-open ang quiz. Why? Kasi lalo na pag hindi pa ang specific time and specific day. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, I already set the time na pwede po natin ma-open ngayon. So, let's try to copy the link. Isend ko po dun sa account ng aking anak na si Orange because in my account, I already accessed it. I already answered it. That's why may isang response dito. So, copy link and I will send it to my daughter's account using Facebook Messenger. And I will send it there. Alright. So, ayan na po yung form. Now, let's try to open this one sa perspective po ng student. So, this is now the link that I forwarded, for example, for my student. I-click po natin yung link. Let's try to see. Alright. So, this is now the form, my dear colleagues. So, pag hindi po siya on the day na gi-publish natin, hindi po ganito yung itsura niya. Okay? Ang itsura po niya is different. So, let's try to test the form with the timer. Ito po yung color red na giset ko na title. And ito po yung subtitle. Giset ko ng yellow. Okay? And ito po yung instruction. Okay, na binigay natin. And I set the date today so that we can access it. So, the student have 20 minutes to answer the test. So, let's click the start. Alright. So, makikita po natin sa upper right top ang time. Total time is 20 minutes. And as you can see, the time left, nag-move na po siya. And at this, also the upper right side din po, makikita natin ang pause timer kasi kanina giset natin na we gave 1 break for this test. Okay, for example, ang math, 1 hour talaga because of the computation and everything. So as a math teacher, it's up to you to give 1 time break, 2 breaks, 3 breaks, depende na po sa inyo. If they wanted to go to the CR, if they wanted to what, ganun. So depende na po sa inyo. Alright? Let's go now and try to answer. Let's type the things needed. Okay. Orange G. Morales. Section ni Orange is wisdom. Okay. So that's it. Next. So as you can see, ito na yung si music education. So how many bits? Choose 3 bits. Next. This is physical education. The correct demonstration of spiking. Option 1. Next, how do you show texture in painting or paint? D only. That's 2 points. Ayan po, tingnan po ninyo, nag-ano po ang yung time. Tumatakbo po yung time. And then let's try if we will use this one. Okay, so mag-pause po siya. Your timer has paused at October 24, 2021, 8:34 p.m. You have 0 out of 1 break remaining. Okay? For example, nakaihi na ang bata, ang student, and then bumalik na siya sa exam niya, resume timer. So, mag-continue na siya sa test niya. For example, true. And then, that's the time na kung gusto mag-review ang bata, i-back lang niya, back, and back. And then, pag final na ang answer, next, 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 and next. And that's the time to submit. And pag nakasubmit na po, this is the message that the student will receive. Thank you for using Form Presenter. Your response has been recorded. So, out of 20 minutes, 16 minutes ang kanyang naiwan na time. Okay? So, medyo mabilis siya mag-exam. So, that's it po ang ating perspective ng mga bata na ma-receive nila if we will use this kind of add-ons, Form Presenter, which is the timer. So, the last step is to check the results so that we can record it to our electronic class records sa teachers. So, let's go back to our Google. So, for example, tapos na. So, i-close na natin to and then ito na. As you can see, nag-reflect na kaagad kasi dalawa na ang nag-response sa aking test. So, let's see kung sino yung nag-respond. This icon here, you can click this one if you want to view the responses in Sheets. Okay? So, dito po nakalagay ang scores ng lahat ng ating estudyante na nag-submit ng kanilang exam, test, or quiz. So, let's click it. And, ayan na po. Okay? If it is first time ninyo na i-click yun, may mag-pop up po and just click the create. Since naka-create na ako, hindi na nag-pop up sa akin. So, as you can see, si Orange bago nag-take. So, 6/8 lang ang score niya. And ang sa akin, 8/8. Perfect score. So, pwede na po natin ito ma-rec. If you want to save this one to your laptop or PC para hindi na kayo paulit-ulit mag-open ng Google Form ninyo, just go to File, Download, Microsoft Excel. So, ayan na po. So, let's try to open. Andito na po siya nag-download. Let's try to open. So, this is our enable editing. So, you can edit. So, this is our copy. Okay? Saan po natin siya makikita? Sa downloaded po na ating ano. Ayan po siya. Ito. Okay? So, that's it po. That's the step 5. So, that is the end of our tutorial on how to put timer to our Google form. If you like this video, please click like button po. And please share this one to your colleagues or friends po upang may matutunan din naman po sila. I hope na may naitulong po ako sa inyo. Once again, this is Ma'am Gemz from Davao City at your service. Bye everyone. Amping. God bless.